Hey guys, welcome to Meeper's Jeepers. Today I would like to introduce you to the inspiration for my channel, and it is a 2023 Wrangler JL 392. I'm going to get you some videos of it, and I'll be right back. Wanted to give you a little bit of backstory of why, I like off-roading and I like building off-road vehicles. My dad was a tough dad, no fun. My dad was no fun. But my dad had a 64 Jeep Willys that him and I built from a rust bucket to a beautiful off-road truck. And that was some of my fondest memories was, working in the garage with my dad on that Jeep, again, that we built from nothing. I mean, it was a rust bucket. Didn't have it didn't have a motor in it. It had crappy tires and wheels. The body was rusted out. But that is what started my passion for off-road and building four-wheel drive vehicles. Again, guys, hit the like and subscribe. We got a lot more content coming, a lot of installation videos, a lot of unboxings. So thanks, guys, for your time. So as you can see, guys, this is a pretty nice, 392. All the gold accents that are on this Jeep, I have painted myself. The lights, I've put them on. These are AuxBeam, but they're going to get changed here probably next couple weeks. I got some bigger, better lights to put on it. But the hood latches are all painted. The wheels, the XD Onslaughts, are they're bronze, but you can't really see it. So all my fender vents are painted. Got the WESTIN side steps on it. Got some pretty nice window decals. I love the Thompson Baja Boss MTs. A little noisy on the road, but I love the tires. Gold hook. You see my monster hook. Let me there we go. Look at that hook. I sanded that down and painted it. I put a grade 8 bolt through it, so nobody wants it worse than I do, so it doesn't come up missing off my Jeep. It's got the, let me get under here. I got the Clayton Overland 3.5-inch lift, new control arms, the Falcon 2.0 shocks. The springs are a little stiff for my likings, but I don't have my Jeep loaded down with a bunch of heavy equipment. I ain't even got a winch on it yet. That's going on in the next couple weeks, and we will be giving you guys a video of that. But other than that, this Jeep is awesome. I love this Jeep. I haven't done much on the interior yet. It's just got regular leather, factory seats in it. It's got, 13,000 miles on it so far. But the power in this thing is amazing. I'll set the camera back here so you guys can hear it start up. Hang on one second. Yeah, it's pretty dope. I don't think that I would, I don't know if I'd ever go back to a Jeep with a V6 in it or not. This thing has got plenty of oomph to get you wherever you need to go or whatever you need to go over. So keep watching, like and subscribe. We are going to be doing a lot of installation videos on this, and another 23 that is my wife's Jeep. So stay tuned, guys. We got a lot more coming. Thanks.